what is going on YouTube? This is Alex Music and Entertainment, and we're back with another video. Okay, so today guys, I'm gonna show you how to turn the wood lion into an actual drawing of a lion, as you can see here. Yeah, so you're gonna turn the wood lion into this. Okay, so what you need for this is pencil and piece of paper. Okay, so let's get started. First off, I'm gonna write the word lion in like in the middle of the paper. So go L. But for this, you have to have the letters separated and written like how I'm writing it. Okay, so you can have a look. Lion. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna turn the paper sideways so it faces like this. Next, you're gonna take this part here. You're gonna draw a line going up here, line going up. Next, you draw arrowheads at each end. Right. So after you have done that, next you're gonna draw a little circle here. That's gonna be his mouth. So continuing from the bottom, gonna draw a line upwards. Same goes for here. So put the pencil down, draw it up. Now we're gonna put teeth in the lion's mouth. So you're gonna draw a triangle right there, both outside and inside the circle. Next, we're gonna color outside the circle where the teeth are. Okay, so when you have done coloring, it should look like this. Okay, so after that you're gonna color the lion's nose. This should be his nose, so you just draw a little slanted line like that, and you're going to start shading the underneath. Okay, so I've already shaded it. Right, now we're going to move on to his eyes. So for the eyes, now it's gonna be this little eye right here. So you're gonna drag a line downwards like that. Same thing on this end. Next, draw a line so, and so. Let's watch it again. So, and so. Next, what you're gonna do is draw another line down, just like that, and you're gonna color right here. Leave this part white and leave this part white. The rest will be shaded in black. Okay, so we got one eye down. Let's move on to the next. So it's the same process here. So you just draw the line down. Next you're gonna draw a line across, and you're gonna connect it like that. Next you're gonna draw a line down, just like here. Draw the line down. But for this one, notice that here has a circle and here doesn't. So what you're gonna do is fill in that circle right there, and you're gonna shade just like how you shaded here. Okay, very good. So after you have done that, what you're gonna do is draw the face of the lion. So what you're gonna do is take the L. Remember, this was the L. So what you're gonna do is draw a face like that. So you're gonna draw like that. When you reach the mouth area, that's when you're gonna curve inwards. From curving inwards, make another curve outwards, then you go towards this direction. So you're gonna do the same this side. So you're curving inwards. When you reach the mouth, you curve the opposite side. So there we go. This part's supposed to be a bit curved to match this side. So okay, right. So after doing this, you're gonna draw the mane of the line, the hairy part of the line. So starting from the middle, you go in a outwards direction, making zigzags, as you guys can see. This process is very simple, guys. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. I'll be making some more later on in the future, so please look out for them. Right, so there we go, the lion. But wait, we haven't finished as yet. We still have his ears to draw. So you go here and make a little curve. You go here and you make a little curve. There we go, guys. One more. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. This is Alex Music and Entertainment, and there you go. You can now draw a lion by simply writing the word lion. Thanks for watching, guys.